Hello guys, I am with another free tool called UTM Link Builder, and in this free tool you can create a link with UTM sources like campaign source, campaign, name, campaign term. Let me show you it with some example. Hit the fill example button and it will populate these input fields with sane defaults. Or you can simply type it out. Let's say the UTM source is Facebook. Simply type Facebook and select it, or you can type a custom UTM source like my custom source. Similarly, you can choose a custom campaign medium or select one of these, and then you can choose campaign like Winter Sale or Black Friday. And then you can choose a campaign term like retargeting or generic keyword or anything. You can also type it out. And here a campaign content, it can be a longer content based on where you have posted this URL. And then of course your website URL. And if you are starting off with this free tool, you can simply hit the fill example button and it will populate these with some values. So that you can test my tool. Once you're done, you can simply copy the URL. And share it. You can also download this QR code and share it. And as you can see, the QR code is kind of dense, so it will require high resolution camera to pick the embedded URL. So what I recommend is to put a URL, shortened URL in this QR code. For that, just hit this button. It will generate this short link, which is pointing to this. This is more like a tiny URL or bit.ly shortened URL. Now this URL is embedded into that when user will scan this QR code, they will go to this URL and that will be direct the user to this URL. And now once you are done, you can simply copy URL trying to share it in some markdown file. You can simply copy it as markdown. Or you can also copy it as HTML. You can also download this as a CSV file, where this URL and these options will be saved as a column. And one more thing is that these past URLs are saved in your local browser. So let's say you are doing it, you are generating multiple URLs, and you hit the copy URL. Multiple recent links will be created and they will not disappear. Let's say I paste this page using Ctrl+R, and as you can see, these past links didn't disappear. Even you shut down your browser and come back to this page, this will not disappear. The beauty of is that you can simply hit the restore button. All of these values will be populated with these values so that you can make a minor modification, like on Instagram, you can change it to Pinterest. And then you can again copy this URL. That's all. And one more thing, I'm building this PinFlow app, which is a Shopify app, and it posts your Shopify products to Pinterest. It designs these pins using templates and color palettes from your command. Multiple pins are generated, and it creates a tool with proper randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. You can choose your customer's time zone and the time in which you want to post. And the beauty of this tool is that, let's say you have 50 products using this tool. You can generate hundreds or even thousands of pins based on multiple templates and color palettes. Go check it out at Shopify Store. Thank you.